I'm here today to talk about how we've taken the durability and reliability that Hustler's known for down into our residential package with the next generation Raptor X. My name is Aaron Griffith with Hustler Turf Equipment. And before we get into the specifics of the Raptor X that we're looking at today, we want to talk about some of the common features you'll find that make the Raptor unique. First is our smooth track steering. So as you fold the levers in and you move them forward and back, you'll notice a very smooth feel. Then we have a parking brake integrated into the levers, so as soon as you flip the lever out, your parking brake is set. We have a 20-inch tall high back seat. We have Kawasaki engines. We have a 3.5-gallon fuel tank. We have 20-inch tall VersaTrack tires. Added a QR code onto the unit to help you access helpful items such as owner's manuals, parts list, helpful how-to videos. On the foot plate of the unit, you'll notice that we have a rubber floor mat to help reduce the vibration you may feel through your feet on the unit. Then the floor pan itself is removable, as well as the pulley covers are removable, and then the seat raises up to help ease of service. We have a 4-point deck hanger system that you'll find across all of our products to give that durability, as well as a 1.5 by 3-inch tube frame. Now on to the specifics of the Raptor X model. The deck sizes we have available are 42, 48, and 54-inch. We offer a 18 to 21.5 horsepower Kawasaki FR engine, ZT 2200 transaxle, which gives us up to 7 miles an hour of ground speed, 20-inch tall VersaTrack rear tires with 11-inch smooth front tires, all backed with a 3-year, 300-hour limited warranty. We also offer many accessories with this unit, some of the most popular being the baggers, the mulch kits, the hitch kit, and the hauler. When you're ready to buy where the pros buy, visit your local Hustler dealer, or for more information, visit us on the web at hustlerturf.com.